Notes.
Jot down na.
Ah, sige.
Guys, living room muna lahat. Hello Philippines and hello world. Nandito po tayo sa
Ah, nakuha ka na, Migs.
Ano na mix yung ano? Wait lang. Ano, ang dumi ng kamay.
Is sermon coming?
I don't know.
Pupunta siya.
Counterpoint na.
Say that you love me. Show me that you care. Say when I need you, you will always be there. Okay. Let's start. Everyone is here. Lahat nandito na, no? First concern, the easier one. Pinalitan natin yung arrangement ng songs, same songs. Pinalitan lang yung arrangement para yung mood maano. Musical director, the program please.
So we're gonna open with Awitin Mo at Isasayaw Ko, followed by Vance and Bugoy. First song is Tearing Up My Heart, and then Yesterday. And then Chris, Bonnie, Zell, The Tide is High, and then Stop. Followed by me and Zell with one OPM medley. And then Poy, Spending My Time, followed by Iñaki, Because of You. Then Bugoy, Buksan, La Arnie, As If We Never Said Goodbye.
Kayong dalawa dyan, tol.
Then All of Us Come In, yung goodbye song.
Yeah.
And after that, naiwan si Sen to sing Escape. And then, sunod si Van, The First Time Ever I Saw Your Face. Followed by Chris, You Are the Universe. And then Bonnie, Thanks to You. Tapos yung huli yung modeling, which is yung parang presentation of the people of,
Yeah.
of the
Philippines.
Okay, recap. First opening number.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, HBO. Nanonood sila! Nahuli namin kaya!
Tawag dito, first opening number. Recap lang
Guwapo ka mo.
Kamay ko lang nakita.
What?
Opening number.
Ang buwa.
The first opening number, Awitin Mo at Isasayaw Ko.
Yeah.
Second, Van, Sen, and Bogs, Tearing Up My Heart and Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Chris, Sen, Bon, and Zell, Tide is High and then Stop. Miguel and Lizelle, Medley. Fifth is Poy, Spending My Time. Sixth, Ako, Because of You. 7, Bugoy and Van, Buksan. 8, La Arnie, As If We Never Said Goodbye. 9 is Goodbye Song.
Yeah.
After Goodbye Song is Sen, Escape. And then Van, First Time Ever I Saw Your Face. And then Chris, You Are My Universe.
The.
That sounded so weird. Chris, You Are My Universe.
You are the. Not your universe.
Bonnie, thank you.
to you.
Tapos, thanks to you.
Yeah.
Tapos,
After the
thanks to you, thank you.
Thanks to you.
All of us.
Thank you, India. Thank
And
you,
then, closing
Trevor.
number is the modeling. Okay. My concern about this is we'll still keep the old arrangement of the interviewers. So that's Miguel, me, Chris, and Sen.
Yeah.
Whatever order we sing in, yun yung mga mag-i-interview. Kasi if everyone does it, the audience might be like, diba? So are we clear on the program flow? Okay na yun?
Yeah.
Any concerns, questions?
What's gonna happen with the interview? They're gonna ask us questions.
First, like, for example, me, I'll go up to an audience member, ganyan, kamusta naman kayo, ganyan, ganyan. Malamang, kumakanta rin ho kayo, diba? Sample naman dyan, ganyan. Okay, thank you. O ngayon, binibigyan ko kayo ng karapatan na tanongin ako ng isang question na kahit ano, or something like that. Sasagutin ko po. Obligasyon ko pong sagutin kahit ano man yun. And then after that, tapos na yung interview. Okay, here is scriptwriters. Hands, please. Scriptwriters. Sinabi ko na